So what I might do is...
You're on video!
Oh, hello everybody. We're just on our way down to the riverside with Mummy. Unfortunately, Mark can't make it today. Sorry.
No.
Sorry, baby.
That's why we're doing this video, to make up for it. For all those who can't attend.
Oh, video me. Video me. Kira, I gave Philip your birthday card from Nanny 2 weeks before your birthday.
Yeah, my bad, I forgot.
Yeah, he's bad.
Smile, Nan, you're on video.
Nice. Here we go. Down the airy mountain bit. You okay? You're not cold?
I'm not cold, no.
This is a scary bit, isn't it? Feels like she's being shaken out of the chair. That's it. We're down. Soon be on a smooth bit.
You wonder why she's doing that outside of this morning.
Wave to the camera.
What's that all about? Being a bit of a
Stay with us. Oh, gonna get that camera.
No, that's all right, I didn't get you.
You hear the water? Your hair smells all lovely and appley. Oh, no, you wouldn't have any hair left. Like munching your head.
Let me my grandma named Baldry.
Yeah, oh yeah. See, it was for miles. I don't realise how much I went on that one. She's
More of some issues.
seems to be on the island.
Catty Sark.
Ah. I remember going on there. Do you remember when Auntie Carol came over?
Yeah.
And we went on the Cutty Sark, didn't we, with her? She was
Yeah.
a funny woman, wasn't she?
Oh, she's... I don't know whether she's passed on or not.
No, not heard anything.
Who recognises everyone?
Well, you
There's
never
loads
know.
different waiting for you.
There might be. Because you've lived around here so long, there must be someone who will see you, maybe. You never know.
Gives a snog.
You alright?
Not the way she's letting round and give her a kiss, I don't know who it is.
You alright, mate?
I don't know. I do recognise the face, but
Feel it all.
Feel it with your lips.
not sure.
I'm going to be Laura's husband to be.
Hey?
Laura's husband to be. Maybe.
Oh,
Maybe.
JJ! Oh,
You
Jay!
alright?
Yeah. Hi, Laura.
We were just playing ticket.
What's it for?
I don't know, where do you think it's for? Where do you think we might be going today? It says City Cruises.
What's it say?
City Cruise.
On a boat.
We're going on the boat. I told you you'd take that tablet and you'd want to go away. Do you give her a sickness tablet?
When do we get the boat?
We're going to get it in about 5-10 minutes. 5 or 10 minutes we're going on the boat. How about that for a surprise? You want me to keep that?
It's not a surprise, it's a shock. Are you taking me on there to throw me overboard?
Yes. I don't want to throw you overboard.
We're going to put some concrete on your feet first.
Yeah, we're going to tie the wheels up. Is that good? Wow.
Let's take them off, you went, no?
You say it. I don't want to tie up. Wow. Yeah, don't throw them. You say it. Oh, wow.
Yeah, here's one on.
Nicholas, you say it. Oh, wow.
I've got another bit there.
Auntie Helen being naughty.
And unless you go, they're going to the barrier.
Yeah, there's different kinds of boats. Our boat don't leave for another 10 minutes.
I'll wait till 5 o'clock Tuesday morning. Can you?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Yeah.
Windsor.
We're going Windsor, yeah? Yeah, I saw that, sir. I can't get away then. Bye. Better?
And they've got to open this gate.
I think it's, yeah, like I say, if you say that.
I see you. Ballet.
His hair looks lovely. Who's a handsome boy?
That was like 2 years ago. We went to Saudi.
Getting the food is all alright. Oh. That's it, Laura's tipping her out.
There she goes.
Who's this taking pictures? That's a lot of miserable kids.
No, the day. They didn't know.
Oh, there ain't be no later to it. It's going to be in a minute. Alright, let me get the baby out of the way.
Where are we going to sit? They're going to just pull you back a minute.
Yeah. Glad this has got steady cam on it.
And lunchboxes, mobile phones glued to their ears. You might think Canary Wharf is all business all the time, but you'd be wrong.
Oh mate, look at that view.
Come the weekend, the executive who spends Monday to Friday buried in Stockholm is with us for a the prospect has pillars and an old-fashioned bar set on barrels. Besides beer, ale and liquor,
Shame we're not going through the middle. Now that was awesome. Up and down.
That's Millennium Bridge, isn't it?
Yep. There's some pools down there.
She wouldn't mind. She would take him home if she
Just steal him.
She would steal him, yeah. He's a good boy. But yes, thank you. Yeah, all of our life we've had dogs. We used to have a black Labrador. We lost him a couple of years ago. So, yeah.
near you, is it? There's a few, isn't there? You got a sprint through
He is absolutely nuts.
Yeah, he did say something about pointing around here and then straight.
That's his very forest of City. Now, the building itself being designed to look like something. Now, I normally ask people what they think it looks like, but I'll just tell you a selection of my favourite suggestions.
Why don't you go sit
Somebody told me this looks like a pile of pizzas about to fall over.
Yeah, I'm not feeling it today.
A honey pot.
Oh, the market.
Yeah, in the market.
You enjoyed that, didn't you? Is that where you bought your scarf, isn't it, in the market?
More expense, I thought, I don't know, I've watched mine before.
Yeah, and you enjoyed spending it.
Yeah.
What's the point of having money if you can't buy a scarf? That's it, we're off now. We're off on our way to Greenwich.